What's the meaning of bilharzia? Bilharzia. Bilharzia.
Bilharzia. Bilharzia. Bilharzia is the common name for schistosomiasis, a parasitic infection caused by several species of flatworms in the genus Schistosoma. The parasite typically enters the human body through contact with contaminated freshwater, such as swimming or bathing in certain rivers and lakes. Symptoms of infection can include itching, rash, abdominal pain, diarrhea, and blood in the urine or stool. In severe cases, the infection can lead to organ damage and even death. Bilharzia is most prevalent in sub-Saharan Africa, but also occurs in parts of South America, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. Prevention involves avoiding exposure to contaminated water sources, and treatment usually involves medication to kill the parasites.